Alright, so another part of the thing getting ready for the car show is I need something to display on the back of the truck, so we got this drift trike that I've been hacking up and kinda stupid like. I mean, we drifted like 3 times.
We did.
We got 3 runs out of it, and then we bent the frame because that's how I roll. So Yule says that we can get this thing done tonight, as you're saying.
Yep.
That's pure confidence right there. I like that. And he already has a drift trike, and
I'm in the process of putting a motor on it.
yes, you already finished like the actual getting it to be like structurally good.
The structural integrity of it. Set.
Yeah. Okay. And you already drifted, so we're gonna get this thing ready for the car show. Hopefully this will get done, and hopefully the rice truck will get done. Tomorrow it's gonna rain, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to work on it. So
We'll find a way.
We have to get this. The thing is, we have to get this thing done. If not, we will zip tie it like it already is, just for looks.
All right.
So we gotta take these out, right?
Take that out.
Pick this up from Harbor Freight. Best investment. I don't feel like bringing all my expensive tools from work home, so Harbor Freight it is. Do you know what size it is? 13?
Is it 13?
I don't know. Let's try 13. Oh, it is a 13. This one.
Oh, so it was coming out.
Yeah.
So now we got these out.
But yeah, I had no cotter pins, so just to have fun with it, I used zip ties holding, and it worked pretty well. Worked pretty well. The frame itself, no. Shit. You and your big ass hands.
Right? I should start working on the 300ZXs.
I was gonna kick it. Hit it with the hammer. I don't know.
Where is it?
Probably in the storage van.
Where's Jeremy Clarkson?
I mean, I could just use a wrench, maybe. No, it's not working. No, it's not working. Wait. Nope, not working. Wait. Okay, got it out. You can bring the hammer.
So, that 41. Right here.
And, wow. Thanks a lot, Sharpie. Thanks a lot, Dad. I know the bugs are attacking you too.
Yep. This should work.
Now we just need to go get my saw.
Yep.
And hopefully I don't cut it the wrong angle. Well then.
And there we go.
Alright. That's 41 inches, I think. Or
Yep.
how off was I?
No, that's good.
Alright.
Next step. Time to weld.
So now we gotta take this fucking piece, grind off whatever we're doing, and then weld it. Or are you gonna weld that onto there first?
We gotta weld this first.
Yeah.
Gotta weld these. We gotta weld this together. We gotta weld the washer and the bolt together, and then insert the bolt onto the end of that.
So pretty much you're gonna be putting the wheel and the bearing inside through here.
Yep.
That'll be like an axle.
Yep.
Alright. Oh yeah.
Time to start.
Didn't get to show them the wheels and the PVC piping. That's what it looks like. That's a 10-inch PVC pipe. Alright. Let's start welding.
Yep.
How did it come out?
Not sure.
I mean, we gotta do the other side now.
Yep. Just gotta remove these pliers.
Let me just turn on the light.
Ready? Oh.
So it's time to do the Kenny test?
Yeah. Like, I welded most of it. Let's see how it goes.
Alright. Okay, I passed the first one. Start hitting it with something. Let's see. Looks promising. It looks promising. Another one. I think it's good.
Day 2 of welding, and we got it to stay on.
Yeah, now we just gotta put a lot of weight on it when we weld it.
Well, I have to weld it all the way around, and then we can be able to put a lot of weight on it.
Okay.
Other than that, we're good.
Success. So, what is this? What are we using this piece right here for?
So this is gonna be the axle for the wheels. So the axle is gonna get welded right onto here, and just go across. Then these go at the end of the axle where the wheels will go.
Okay.
So once you have that set up, you'll have a solid frame, and we'll get to slide. Get to slide over there, anywhere.
Yeah.
Get some rope, get towed.
So we're pretty much welding that onto here.
Yep. Now that we've practiced on this,
Still hot.
yeah, it's still hot. Now that we've practiced on that, and we figured out what was wrong, take 2. And let's go for the Kenny test one more time.
Fingers crossed it actually passes. Okay.
Step 1 done.
Step 2. Take a beating. So much slag. Seems like it's doing okay. Practice. Practice makes perfect.
Yep.
Now to weld the roll cage for me, using this welder, well, that's a challenge.
Yep.
It looks like it's doing pretty good.
Alrighty.
So this free Harbor Freight welder can weld.
Who'd have thought?
You feel good? You feel good that you welded by yourself?
I feel great. The first time I welded, like, something properly. I like it. Now I know what I can do. Time to minimize my projects.
Alright, so what's the next thing you do after you weld those?
Well, now that those are welded, now it's time to weld this to these.
Okay.
So first what we gotta do is we gotta make sure that these go in here. But as you can see, this doesn't go in there. So we gotta shave off the hex head. So once that gets shaven, put it there, make sure that sits flush. And once that's flush, we can weld that together. Weld it up here and on all four sides. Then once that's welded, we can finally put it on the bike.